you been?
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Flawless Shanti, and today I have for you my curl kit. So we're gonna unbox my curl kit. I'm getting everything super late this month. Why? I don't know. I got like the confirmation for the shipping like the 5th, and it's like this was it the 16th, 17th today. So it's just like I don't know what's going on with all my packages. I'm not getting anything. But we got it, so let's just open it. If you don't know, Curl Kit is a monthly subscription for hair care products for curly hair. It is $25 a month, and you just get different products. I don't know what's in here. The one thing I can say about this compared to like other subscriptions that I have, there's a lot of spoilers for other stuff. Like you can look online and like they send you spoilers. This, I never have no idea what I'm getting. So we'll be opening this together because I just got it in the mail. I took out the package and this is the box I got. So, and I said it's $25, right? $25. My skin, oh my god, my skin looks so oily. It's just like glowing. I was feeling like it was so dry, so I did like this mask, and now I feel like it's like super shiny. But anyway, so this is it. We're gonna open it. Boom. Okay, so normally this is like closed, and it's not because there's something just fell out. What fell out was this card from, it says Hibiscus Honey, Knee Style Flexibility. This is from Eden Body Works Hydration and Style collection. And it says you can find it at CVS. I guess this is a new collection. It just came out. I'm not sure if there's any of these products in here or not, but we'll see. So, and then, of course, we have, you get your Curl Life every month. Oh, yeah, because they're promoting the collection on the back as well. Maybe something in here from it. Go curly, go straight. It says, go curly, go straight, bounce back with Hibiscus Honey. I just wanted to read it because I thought it was cute. Okay. So I'm going to just look this, and this is what it looks like. This is how it is this month, and I guess we can go ahead and see what's in here. So the first thing I see here is these wipes from Shea Moisture. These are these, I've never ever seen this. They're makeup remover wipes. So it's Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Hydration Facial Wipes with frankincense, and this is Mare MH. I don't know what the hell. Next, that smooth to smooth. So it's normal to dry skin, removes makeup dirt without rinsing or drying. Okay. I've never seen this before, but I mean, I guess I'll try it. I'm typically like a Neutrogena kind of makeup wipe kind of girl, but we'll see. I'll use it. Okay, there's that. Next in here we have this. This is from Cream of Nature. Acai berry and keratin strengthening hair mask for dry and damaged hair. I don't really have dry damaged hair, but this is that. It's a little packet, this is for hair repair and helps prevent damage. That's what that is. I'm not really a fan of Cream of Nature, to be honest. I got 2 Cream of Nature products last month. The one was a conditioner that I don't know if I used it or not. Can't remember. I tried it once. I thought it smelled pretty bad. It was like some Shea Moisture. It was like shea butter honey. It was kind of gross. And then the other was like that edge glue. Oh my god! In like an hour, it like flaked up. I think I have it here. It was this I got last month. In like an hour, it like flaked up, and it was like a crusty like layer of disgustingness that I do not like. I typically, which I said before, I don't use like edge stuff, like edge controls and like that. I just use Eco Styler Argan. I use that. I use the Argan Eco Styler. That's the only kind of gel that really lays my edges down or have my hair down in general at all. And if it gets like flaky, I just put oil on it and it just bounces back. So, but that being said, next we have, let's start here. Okay, this is, I just said I don't use edge gels and stuff. This is from Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils. It says Control Me Edge Gel in black. I'm not sure if that means that the color is black. Ooh, it looks black. Let's see. Oh, it's like actually black. You know, I've seen people use this. This is like, oh, let me see. I don't know if I can use this or not, because I probably won't use it, to be honest, anyways. But it just says this is temporary color edge gel controls, holds and smooths while minimizing the appearance of thinning edges. I do not have thinning edges. Provides temporary color, covers roots, and conceals gray hair, quick drying, and non-flaking. Yeah, this is probably not for me because this doesn't pertain to me. I don't want hair color, like black hair color in my hair. I don't want that. I don't have any edges. I mean, it smells good. That's shocking, since it is like, maybe it's a coconut smelling. Yeah, because it says shea, well, shea oils, but I don't really like how shea butter smells. But yeah, I'm probably not gonna use that, but it smells nice. There's 3 things left. So again, wait, my fitness ran off. I need to get like a new one. I need to get the one where it's like you where it's kind of like that, like how belts are, that thing, whatever that is. Because this, it like unhooks all day long. But whatever. Back to this video. So this is, yeah, I don't know about this either. I've heard this was like terrible, to be honest. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil cream. Why did I say cream? Moisture and Shine Shampoo. It says hydrates and detangles. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna use. I'll probably try it once. To be honest, everybody I know that actually, like, you know, in real life and not like YouTube and watch videos, people I know that use it all said like it dries their hair out, or it's like doesn't work or whatever, like, and their hair still be like dirty. I've heard like pretty bad things about this, to be honest. But I'll give it a try and have my own opinion, because, and I'm taking these out. I'm taking my hair out soon, so I'll try it maybe this weekend. And there's 2 things left, so we're gonna go ahead and grab. Oh my God, look at that! I think it just pulled on my shirt though. And this is from that new line, that Eden Body Works Curl Hydration Conditioner, Hibiscus and Honey. It says hydrates pores, hydrant pores. That's weird, but it instantly works to strengthen the tangle and provide strands, enhance natural softness, boost curls, and tames frizz. I definitely have a lot of frizz. Oh, this smells really good. Maybe I'll use this weekend too. And this is from Eden Body Works. So this is like that. And there's 1 thing left. And they put this little, you see this stuff in it, comes in the box every month too. One thing left in the box. Let's see what it is. It says Mystic Black Novax. What is this? Deep hair mask. It smells like bubbles. Like, you hear about like those little things of bubbles? Like, it literally smells like bubbles. I don't know how I feel about this. Let me touch it. I don't know. I've never heard this before. I've never heard of this at all, to be honest. We'll see. It says free of parabens, petroleums, silicones, and sulfates. Don't know what this is, but okay. Let me see. There's a whole Mystic Black collection. It says Miracle. So there's like in the book, you can probably have stuff in here from what you get. I'm gonna see what it says about it really quickly. Nope. Not really nothing worth reading out loud, to be honest. It was more so about the person who. It's more so about the person who company it is, opposed to what the product was. But that's what I got. I mean, let's put it back in the box so I can look at it, like, idealistically. So there's this, which I'll try, but definitely gonna use this. I'll guarantee that. I have no clue about this, to be honest. This is a no for me, and I'll try these. So there's 5 things. Oh, and this mask here too. I don't know about this because it is Cream of Nature, and I typically don't use their products because just, you know. I'll try it though. I mean, so far, you know, experiences tell more than what you can say, like, oh, well, since you try certain things, and I think once you think you experience something with their brand, the rest of it you kind of just like shoved to the side, and that's my experience so far with everything I've tried of theirs. So, but I haven't tried the shampoo or this, so I'll try these and we'll see how I feel about it. I'll definitely try this. Maybe I'm gonna say at least we'll see. This is my curl kit this month. I'm not gonna say it's the best. I would say last month, what was last month? Last month was probably better, only because it had the Jamaican Black castor oil stuff, and I've been using that stuff, so I will say that one was better. But this is what I got this month. We'll see. So I can probably even review this or this Eden Body Works. I'll try to find the rest of this collection of the Eden Body Works and see if they have it at my local CVS or if I gotta order online or something. But it definitely smells good, so I'll give that. But that's my curl kit. If you have curly hair, or you like curl kit, or if you get curl kit, let me know what you like to use for your hair, or if you like your curl kit, if you get curl kit. I think it's worth it. Do I think it's worth $25? Yeah, I think this is worth the $25. Cause I know for a fact, Shea Moisture products run at least $10 each, so give or take. So I would say if you consider that, then yeah. And they said that the box is $20. What was this pinky there for when I went like that? The box is $20, and then like the shipping is $5. But still, it's, I think it's, we'll see. We gonna see. So that's what I got this month, my curl kit. Thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget that self-love is the best love, and I will see you guys in my next video.